inside, my lord!
What is that monster creating?
Damn it, Sean, pull yourself together. Brian Jackenstein could be creating anything in there.
The EXR fuel tank for the Can-Am. The EXR fuel tank for the Polaris Turbo S. The EXR fuel tank for the Polaris Pro R. I get it! He's a mad scientist!
That's exactly why we need to break through this huge door.
Have we tried the smaller door?
Good eye.
Sir, they've made it inside.
They'll never get past.
The sales department.
I think it's this way.
Hi. Welcome to AGM. How can I help you today?
We're good, man. We're just trying to find Brian.
Have you heard the benefits of the brake pressure bleeder?
Look, man, we don't have all night. Wait! My brake pedal is a little spongy.
It's alive.